Ice cream truck, nigga, ice cream truck. Ice cream truck. Pull up on them in a ice cream truck. Ice cream. We ain't selling ice cream, bitch, we selling what? Ice cream truck, bitch, ice cream truck. Pull up on them, ain't nigga gonna duck. Hey, bitch, I'm real gang with this shit. Yeah, that's 4, bitch. When I pull up on your bitch with 4 chicks hit me, nigga, I'm feeling silly. If you think that you feeling me, feel me. Nigga, feel this chopper heat. If you're fucking T, clout, nigga, know who I am. Young Farri, bitch. Pull up with them shit. Flexing young Chris, I'm tryna get rich. Tryna pull up in some foreign ass shit. That's a foreign ass bitch. And a foreign ass grip. Nigga, take a fucking dip. All in your bitch. Whoa. And I'm young Chris, flexing with a fucking gold wrist on my motherfucking watch. Oh shit, I fucked it up. Nigga, down, look at the clock. Yeah, it's about that fucking time for you to cop a watch. You ain't got it like me. You ain't got it like this. You ain't got these shits on my feet. Man, they crisp. Call me young fucking Chris. I told you this before. Yeah, I'm Farri the foe. Pull up at your door. Cut them shots like whoa. Oh, yeah. Ice cream truck, man. Y'all know how we rockin'. Fuck that shit, bro. I go back in, nigga. Yeah, ice cream truck, bitch. Told you I'll pull up with them fucking straps on my hip. That's on my side. Nigga, let it rip. Y'all niggas dead. Y'all niggas sick. Me and whole family sick. Yeah, it ain't no witness. Nigga think they feeling me. Nigga, you gon' feel this. Fucking chopper heat. Yeah, that's your fucking teeth. Nigga, that's a white tee. Turn that shit to blood. I just want some cutty. Baby, come here. You know how I do. You my fucking bitch. So take off your shoes and get comfortable. We bout to have fun. We bout to turn up. Hold up, let me grab my gun.
Let me grab my gun. Fucking all these hoes. Rocking out on shows. Bitch, I'm 16. I done fucking glowed. Bitch, I ain't mean. I'm just tryna stack all this fucking green. Hold up, nigga. I'ma let that beat drop for a little bit.
Keep on.